Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and today is the incoming mail series. So I received these package from X, the Forever Young X. I will leave her link down below to her YouTube channel and also to her Instagram account. So I am going to open it up. This was the first time that we swapped mail with her, so we agree on doing a tag flip that will weigh less than 200 grams, and that is because she's overseas, so you know the mail can be quite expensive there. So, and I am going to open it up. That's really, I love these. I'm gonna save that, and I will hate to damage this nice paper. Okay. See what I got. See? Okay, I'm so excited to see what I got. I know she got my mail a couple of weeks ago, and I just got hers. Oh my god, the adventure is waiting. Oh my god. Oh, she put my name on it. She used the alphas, the puffy alpha shimmer. I love this girl. Oh my gosh. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I told her that I like pastel colors, and oh my gosh, how beautiful. Look at that. Ticket. Oh, how nice. The wrappings for a K-cup. Cool, so I can make some rosettes. Perfect. Very nice. Oh, look at these nice banners. Oh, hearts, and you're special, with nice eyelets. Oh, you're so beautiful. Cactus. I don't have anything with cactus. Oh, rainbows, and oh, this is really nice. Pretty nice. And 2 tickets. I think this is Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. So this is really nice. Oh. And I got, oh, I love the stickers. Oh my god, bunnies, guitars, cameras, roses, beautiful. So, oh, nice. And then the other one, oh, a glacine with, oh, I love this. This is a paper clip. It's like a light bulb. I haven't seen that. Beautiful. And then, oh, a frame. Nice. And then an arrow, wooden arrow, and light. Oh, I don't want to. Have to be very gentle. I don't want to damage it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it. I just love it. Oh, look at these cards. Fun and love. How nice. Never seen these cards before. Beautiful. And then gems. Oh, yeah, I told her that I like, you know, butterflies and pastel colors, and oh, look at these. In one of the videos from Scrap Diva 29, I think the embellishment box, she mentioned about she has a dice. I'm like, oh, I wish I could have that. And guess what? Now I have one. Oh, look at these perfume bottles. They're like so beautiful. Oh, thanks very much. Oh, I love it. And ooh, a leopard butterfly. A scooter. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Oh, more butterflies and ribbons. Oh, more ribbons here. Oh, and a bicycle and a heart. Very cute. Let's be totally awkward together. And here is the letter. Oh, look at this. Handmade for you. Oh, and this is her tag. Oh, nice. And then, oh, these are pretty. It's like Project Life cards. Oh, and these are bows, flat bows. How cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is my first swap with the Forever Young. I will link her YouTube channel below and her Instagram account. She's a very talented lady. Thanks very much. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye.